Right, let's see if we can get this engine out. Okay, there it is. Okay, managed to get the bonnet off. Two-man job. You have to lift it vertical and it just pops off. Okay, so I'm starting to take off the right front wing. Apparently this is one of the hardest panels to get off, so I've taken the wheel arch off first. Right, so this is the end of my Christmas holidays. Done a fair bit the last couple of days. Let me just show you some of the bits are stripped off. At the moment my back garden is getting filled up. Yes, my back garden's starting to look a bit like Steptoe & Sons. I have to do something about this. Main thing I need to do is get the new chassis in the garage, clear all the stuff out from the garage and build a shed somewhere, because otherwise it's going to get out of hand. Today's been pretty much put WD-40 on, try and get a bolt off, put more WD-40 on, try and get the bolt off, more WD-40, followed by angle grinder. And yeah, amongst all the rust up there is a shiny bolt. Somebody must have put stainless steel up there at some point. So we've got rust, 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 shiny. Back to work tomorrow, so next plan, I'm going to carry on taking a few bits off around the engine and the left hand wing. Then I'm going to start thinking about taking the engine out. But the weeks seem to be flying by at the moment, and all I seem to be doing is getting big piles of scrap everywhere, so I need to start organising this somehow.